You can use the Ellipsis Drive MCP handle to allow your AI to answer questions and execute workflows within Ellipsis Drive. Using the MCP handle will let your AI agent search through your Drive content to find relevant data, use API calls to answer queries, and execute workflows on Map Engine. The MCP handle can be used to connect Ellipsis Drive to your favorite in-house AI agent. As an example, I'll show you how to set this up with Claude. First, the preliminaries. You have to install Claude Desktop. For this, go to the link in the description and install Claude Desktop on your PC. Once installed, launch Claude and sign in. Second, you need to set up an Ellipsis Drive OAuth client. For this, go to app.ellipsisdrive.com, sign in and go to your account settings. Click OAuth in the menu to register a new application. Add the redirect URL for your AI service to the list of redirect URLs on the OAuth page and create a client. Copy both the client ID and secret. Third, we connect the MCP handle to Claude Desktop. Claude Desktop is launched near your PC. In the left sidebar, you can go to Customize, and in the Customize dialog, you can go to Connectors. Click Add on the top right and pick Custom Connector. Here you are requested to fill in 4 fields. The name, pick any name you wish, for example, Ellipsis Drive. Second, the MCP URL, fill in the URL you can find in the description. Third, the OAuth client ID, fill in the client ID you copied in the previous step. And 4, the OAuth secret, something you also copied in the previous step. Then click Connect. And voila, your agent now has access to your Ellipsis Drive content. To test whether the setup works as expected, you can ask any question related to your data. For example, what data do I have related to wildfires? Or, please list all data related to infrastructure in Europe. Have fun, and see you in the next video.